10 News exclusive. Two deputies were caught on camera making a rough arrest outside of a convenience store last year, where they're now facing charges. Local 10 News investigator Bob Norman has the story you'll see just on the one and only.
The two Broward Sheriff's deputies shown in this surveillance video slamming a man face first to the pavement last year have been charged criminally. The bald deputy, Justin Lambert, is charged with battery, and both he and his partner, Mike Manresa, are charged with falsifying police records to make it appear the attack was justified. All misdemeanors.
I've never been treated like that in my whole life.
That's 50-year-old victim David Gonzalez after the attack last year. He suffered a broken orbital socket and other injuries in the attack.
It's about time with regard to Lambert, Manresa, and the police here in Broward County facing up to charges for their misconduct.
Attorney Gary Collin isn't a party in this case, but handled a previous brutality case against Lambert that led to a $350,000 judgment for his client against BSO. He said the severity of the Gonzalez attack seems to merit much more than misdemeanor charges.
I think that the charge where the David Gonzalez was hit should have been at least a felony battery, a third-degree felony, instead of a misdemeanor, because Gonzalez suffered serious bodily harm.
Neither BSO or the state attorney's office notified the public of the charges, which were filed on April 24th, and neither deputy had to turn himself in.
They got a summons, unlike most people.
We may get our first look at those two deputies on June 18th. That's when Lambert and Manresa are due to be arraigned. At the sheriff's office, I'm Bob Norman, Local 10 News.
Hey, Bob, thanks a lot. And according to BSO, those deputies are still getting their pay while on suspension and facing criminal charges. They also face an open federal lawsuit.